X's on the Lexus, everything bigger in Texas.
Face to face with it, can't be beefing through no FaceTime. Where the for your waistline?
I'm so indecisive, you can cuff me, but I'm wifey. I just want a nigga who gon' slurp me like a icy.
Hey love, so before we get started on the DIY project, I wanted to go ahead and show you guys what I received in the mail. So it's pretty much these LED lights that can pretty much go anywhere in your home. I decided to put it behind my headboard. This is how it comes on the right side. It's super freaking easy to put together, and it has like a little sticky tape that you can pretty much just stick it onto whatever furniture behind your TV, underneath cabinets, or your bed frame, just like mine. This is how it looks during the day versus night. And it's super easy. It has all these different colors. You can make it flash. You can make it go slow. You can make it not flash. There's so many different options. And it's very, very affordable. So, yeah. Okay, so now here is the DIY project, which you guys originally came here for. So pretty much I literally just bought a muscle tee type of tank top from Walmart. This was $3.50. If I'm not mistaken. I'm just literally just drawing, not even drawing, but like, you know, making an indentation print with the scissors just to see where I want to cut. I was honestly very lazy doing this whole entire project. I'm not even gonna lie to you, and it still turned out good. You could easily draw with a pencil or a marker or anything like that very lightly on the fabric, or even draw it while it's still on you, which that's probably what I should have done, which I might make another one of these just because I feel like mine's is not wearable, only because it's like a little malfunction going on. But yeah, it's cute for pictures. So I'm pretty much just cutting where I did the little indentation with the scissors. And you guys can get super creative with this. You don't have to do the exact same pattern I did. You can cut it up all types of different ways. I wanted to do some on the side. Like, you guys can just really get, you know, very artsy with this project. So I'm going to also make a little cut right here on the top. This is actually a shirt, but I got an extra small, but it was long enough for me to make it as a dress. I'm 5'1", for those that are going to ask me my height. I'm 5'1", so it kind of worked out for me, and I'm very petite. So I'm just going ahead and cutting a little bit more fabric off, just so it can still fit a little tight on me. This is probably honestly optional, and I probably honestly didn't have to even do this, but I just be doing the most. I don't know. This part was pointless. But yeah, so these are the little safety pins that I got from Walmart. They come in a variety. I can't even say that. Variety. Whatever. Different sizes. They come in different sizes. Big, medium, small, tiny safety pins. You name it. So pretty much I'm picking out which safety pins I wanted to do. I did probably at least like 5 or 4, I think, at the bottom that were big, and then I kind of went into medium to small. You can do all the same size. It does not have to be like this. I was just playing around just to see how I was gonna like it. So yeah, I'm just gonna place the safety pins where I want them, and then we're just going to literally put the safety pins in the shirt. Like, this project really no brainer. Like, honestly, like less than $5 that you're spending just for this little project. You can make it into a shirt. Of course, if you're taller than I am, or, you know, got a little bit more juicy to me, you know, you can do it how you want. You don't have to make it a dress, or you can even do the dresses that you probably got in your closet. Like, I didn't even think about that. But yeah, I'm going to stop talking because there's really there's a reason for me to keep talking. So yeah, I hope you guys do enjoy this video, and let me know in the comments below if you're going to try this DIY project, if you like it, what's your thoughts, and what you guys want to see me recreate next. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. So they also sent me this LED mirror clock. It's supposed to look like this. Please excuse my nails, they are a hot freaking mess. So yeah, as you can see me. I'm just recording on my phone. I'm about to, I will plug it up. I don't have any batteries, y'all. It doesn't come with batteries, but you know, you put the batteries here, and you know, y'all know how to work a clock. I literally haven't seen a clock in a cool minute, but yeah, so I mean, it's cute. It's white and it matches my decor and stuff, so I might just like put it, you know, after I clean off my dresser, you know, probably just put it there, just, you know, just to have a clock. I haven't had a clock in years, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie. I just use my phone, but I mean, it's cute, and you know, and it's a mirror, so I mean, who don't love mirrors? So yeah, so if you guys are interested in this, it's very affordable, so I'm gonna leave all the links down below for everything. And again, here are my lights. As you can see, I have my lamp on because it's dark in my room, but yeah, go ahead and, or if you know some kids, like I have a little sister and she just had to get an alarm clock because she doesn't know how to wake up in the morning for school. So if you just know somebody that needs a clock, this is super cute. LED mirror clock, really different. I've never seen like a mirror clock before, so I thought this was super cute.
808 Mellow. Trap House Mob.